Hi, I am Muhammad Barakat. Do you know that the amount of data in the world soared from 150 billion gigabytes to 1200 billion gigabytes in 5 years' time only? So there's an enormous amount of data being generated every minute. While this flood of data is important, keeping up with it, storing it, analyzing it has become a huge challenge for businesses. And here comes the value of data scientist who gathers this data, analyzes it, and extracts insights from it. But to do that, he or she needs to have a box of tools. And one of the most important tools is mastering a programming language like R that just does these tasks. Whether you aspire to be a data scientist or you need to learn how to analyze big data, this course is right for you. This course will put you on the right track to start your journey in data science. It will teach you the basics of R language as a prominent tool under your belt. In this beginner to intermediate training course, with 20 chapters, each with 3 to 9 lessons full of exercises, you will develop your skills in using R, starting from recognizing the main environment to solving and analyzing data problems. Learning R programming for data science is now online. So head to the course page and kick off your journey towards the sexiest job in this decade.